We want to hurt no one. We're here for the bank's money, not your money. Your money's insured by the federal government. You're not going to lose a dime. Think of your families. Don't risk your life. Don't try and be a hero. Right now, I want everyone to sit on the floor, put their hands on their head. You feel sick, you got heart trouble, lean against the wall. It's a little heavy.
How much?
A little chunky. So we started it at 88 pounds, which is what $4 million would actually weigh. And we tried dry running this, and that's like too heavy to actually do it safely. So we dropped it down to about 60 pounds, which is still the equivalent of lugging around a sack of concrete. But you'll notice the bag actually flexes rather like it does in the movie. Because in the movie, they were not using a full 88 pounds, I guarantee it.
Yeah, I'm here!
All right, so our third and final stage. Some of us had the pleasure of remaining as a paired team, trying to escape with the money. Some of us decided just to bail and try and go out on our own, which requires, of course, taking a kid hostage and then getting shot in the head by Al Pacino.
With an FNC.
With an FNC, yes. So, the course of fire here is rather simple. You're going to have your bag of money, of course. You're going to start with the rifle loaded, chamber empty, on safe, and you're going to move up through the 3 cars. When you get to the 3rd car, we have Ivan, the small child hostage. You have to pick up Ivan. So the way this is going to work, you get to Ivan, rack around into the chamber, leave the gun on safe, pick up Ivan, bring up the gun, disengage the safety, and engage the 6 targets while moving back over here. Good. Stand by. Oh. Time! Been shot in the face by the LAPD. Unload and show clear. That was an impressive reload.
Yeah, it was.
It was not easy.
I can tell.
I knew I didn't have that many rounds, but I was like, I can do a reload, and then I had him, and I was like,
oh,
this is not going to be easy.
I immediately regret this decision. Good job. Your time was, you parred out because you got shot. So. What was Ha-ha! Hit!
I got them all. All right, set Ivan down, unload, shot clear.
Oh, okay.
Well, I really appreciate you guys coming out and playing Heat Retro LARP, whatever you want to call it. This was a lot of fun.
This was great.
You know, I've been wanting to do this for years, so I'm just glad we got to do it.
What do you think about the one-handed shooting?
You know,
I think it would be great if I had used a Car 15.
Yeah, that's
but
not...
since I'm using a big 12,000-pound Galil, it was fun. It was absolutely a blast, but...
That was a very impressive reload that you pulled off.
Yeah, so I can't wait to see that.
With the Car 15s, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Iron-sighted, one hand, bag of money, and a hostage were still able to make 50 or 60-yard shots on reduced-size silhouettes.
yeah.
I mean, the Car 15 is a great design. It's so lightweight, and it's so compact that you can do anything with it, and no big deal.
Yep.
Yeah, the real only downside to it is it is blasty, and especially that scene where they're in the car. You know, De Niro shoots out the front windshield of the car.
Yeah.
I mean, those dudes are all leaking out of their ears at that point. They're blowing their eardrums out.
Yeah, I can't imagine actually doing
Well, it means that, you know, you only hear it for the first couple shots.
Yeah.
And then you've got natural hearing protection.
Yeah.
All right, well, it's getting hot out here. And we're all wearing black suits, so let's go deposit the money and get some lunch.
Woo! Sounds like a plan to me.
Thanks, guys.